October 19th. International Archaeology Day. It was established by UNESCO in 2010 to promote awareness about the importance of archaeology in understanding our shared human heritage. International Day Against Breast Cancer. It is a platform to raise awareness about breast cancer, promote early detection, and support those affected by the disease. The pink ribbon is the symbol associated with this day, representing the fight against breast cancer. World Pediatric Bone and Joint Day. It was established to raise awareness about pediatric bone and joint health and to promote early diagnosis and treatment of bone and joint conditions in children. International Repair Day. It was established to promote a culture of repair and reduce waste by encouraging people to fix broken items.